Hi, welcome to Subpar Cooking. In today's video, we're making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Alright, for today's recipe, we're going to need 1 cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, a half cup of peanut butter, half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a teaspoon of salt. You'll need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and that's it. For your utensils today, you'll need a measuring cup, some more measuring utensils to measure out the ingredients. You'll need a scooper, so you can do the cookie dough. You'll need a cooking sheet, and then you'll also need a mixer. All right, your first step is your preparation. You need to set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't day it there.
You don't know how to do it, right?
375. Preheating. All right, so first we gotta start mixing our ingredients. We need a full cup of packed brown sugar, so. All right. Let's go ahead and dump these in the bowl.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.
Go.
Let's get some peanut butter out. I'm probably gonna need a little bit more.
Darkness. How are you gonna get the peanut butter out?
Let's try it.
I'll step away so the mic doesn't get destroyed.
Bam! Oh, bop! Bada bop! Boom! Pow!
What did you question? Make sure you take the wrapper off so you don't get paper in your cookies. All right, now we gotta mix our ingredients.
Get it on. McDonald's break.
Yummy in my tummy. All right, now you want to beat the eggs in one at a time. Look at that. All right, so you want to go ahead, and if you have any leftover ingredients on the side of the bowl, you want to scrape those down in the middle because those are ingredients that aren't getting into your cookies, and you need every little bit of every ingredient. All right, now 2 tablespoons of water. There's 1. This is the second tablespoon. All right. So you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you pour it in over the bowl, so if you accidentally over pour, it doesn't screw up your recipe too bad, or you don't get stuff on the counter. All right, now you need 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. All right, go ahead and mix these babies all together. Mix it until it's mostly all together, so that way you don't have any liquids just hanging around.
You're gonna zoom.
Make sure you're scooping your sides off as per se. Now it's time to mix our dry ingredients. We need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I need half a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and put in a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, now it's time to whisk together your dry ingredients. So just kind of get that ethereal noise going around the bowl. And now time to mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. Alright, now it's time to mix all your ingredients together. Low setting.
It's gonna give you multiple angles to work with.
Do you like you're in a rap video?
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You gotta punch, then crank.
Alright, now we need 2 cups of chocolate chips. We're gonna go ahead and only do about a cup at a time. So that way we get a full good mixture of chocolate chips going in there. We don't want a bunch of chunking going on. Look at that. Put that in there, go ahead and Alright, now it's time to put these on the cookie sheet. Look at that. Look at that!
How far should we keep it?
Alright, now that we're finished, we want to go ahead and put these in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. Make sure you're watching them so they don't burn. That would stink. Should I put it on the top rack or the middle rack? Put them on the middle rack. It's time to take the cookies out. Look at those boys. Come to Papa. Let's go ahead and leave these to cool over here. Don't mind the pasta. What a great peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. Make sure to like and subscribe to Subpar Cooking. Thanks for watching.
Strange things have been happening recently. Like we're just trying to shoot our cooking video, and then like that apron flew off the wall. And what?